Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the descriptions and we start our trading.
Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we trade binary options and I show you the best strategies for that. And today we are gonna trade with the trend in order to maximum returns. So we will try to find strong trends, either upwards and downwards ones. It doesn't matter, and today we are gonna need two indicators. It's gonna combination of MACD and zigzag. Zigzag will show us the direction of the uptrend and also local highs and lows. We don't trade flats and sideways today, so I'll explain you everything in the process of trading. Let's get started. We trade for all the money on a 1 minute time frame. Expiration time is 1 minute. Let's begin analyzing the market. I'll tell you one more time, we are not interested in flat. Look at this beautiful uptrend on the chart. The installation on the MACD is just about to happen. Let's take our time. Okay. We are gonna play ahead of the market. We buy call option here. We expect the price to go higher. Let me explain, guys. First of all, we see this strong uptrend. Here is a trend line. The price just updated its local low at this level. This is the support zone, and obviously the price is gonna continue going up with the trend. At the same time, we see the positive histogram on MACD, and the green line will cross the red one in a very short term. Let's have a look, guys. We got the perfect entry level. Guys, look at this insane pump. That's incredible, and it at the same time we see the crossing on the MACD, exactly as we predicted, guys. The signal worked out perfectly and we already got $612 on the balance. Let's update the trade amount and continue the trading session. Great start, guys. We see another uptrend, but we don't see a good signal so far. So guys, look at this positive histogram on the MACD. Let's buy another call options here. Previously, there was a huge uptrend. The price updated its local low here, and this level is a strong support as well. So the price bounced from it, and now it should go higher with the uptrend. At the same time, histogram is above the level 0 on the MACD, which is another bullish signal. And the moving average crossed as well, so let's watch the price movement. Basically, we have a really good entry level. So let's watch. And there we go, good trade entry. We got around $1,200 on the balance, and we are gonna consolidate our success. Let's find another good signal. Let's watch. Nice uptrend. The positive histogram just show up, but I think we should take our time we need 100% signal. Just have a look. Just have a look, guys, at this negative histogram on MACD. Let's open a put option here. So let's have a look. First of all, we pay attention to this downtrend, and the price went into small upward correction, and obviously the price should go down. We see the intersection on the MACD. The red line crosses the green on one to the upside, and at the same time we got this negative histogram, and it goes below this level 0, which means the price should go lower, and this is exactly what's happening. And we got it. There are $2,000 on the balance. The signal worked out perfectly. As you can see, the strategy really works, and it's too early to stop. Let's continue the trading session. Well, let's update the trade amount. Let's continue the trading session. Well, it looks like a downtrend. And we should buy a put option here. Let me show you once again. Just have a look at this intersection. The red line goes up and crosses the green one. At the same thing, we see red histogram, which means the bears are in control. And again, look at this beautiful downtrend, and basically it should be continued. By the way, we see another signal here, the support zone. So the price should bounce from it and go lower. And there we go, the price dropped at the end, exactly as we predicted, so perfect signal, guys. As always, let's continue the trading session, and let's update the trade amount. Well, it's more of a flat here, however, the trend is more downwards after all, and it makes sense to buy put options here. I'm gonna show you, guys. We see that the trend is downwards. I'll point that out. The price tends to go down. Its price updated its local high, and then it started going down, and I think the price minimum will be updated somewhere here, I guess. Have a look at this intersection. The red line crosses the green one to the upside with the negative histogram. And we got it. Great level, guys. We got $7,000 on the balance, and it's time to open our final trades. Let's update the trade amount. Well, look at this downtrend. We see the intersection on MACD, and basically we can buy a put option here. We've traded this pair already. The price touched the support level like 3 times, and now is the time to break through and continue the downtrend. So let's have a look. And there we go. This breakdown is huge. We predicted it perfectly. We got almost $12,000 on the balance. Perfect outcome. I think it's gonna be an out for me. We started from 300 bucks, I'm not mistaken, and now we see this. That's why it's time to withdraw the profit. Let's withdraw $11,900. Why not? And one moment. Okay, press the continue button. There we go. The request has been sent. I'll demonstrate the screen as always. And that was our today's strategy, guys. Simple one as always, but at the same time very profitable. All you need to do is to determine the current trend properly, but the zigzag really helps us out. And then you have to spot readable signals, and then we will end up in profits. So guys, thank you for watching. Good luck in trading. Bye bye.